Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a luxurious mango yogurt. Alright now, some of you eggheads will say, it's a smoothie. No, it's a yogurt because I said so. And it has more of a texture of a yogurt, in my opinion. So just watch my lovelies. So here I'm using a wonderful, juicy, ripe mango. My God, these mangoes are amazing. This is what you call the breast milk supplement. Breast milk supplement, mangoes, incredible. Hemp. This yogurt is just super helpful for everyone, obviously, the whole family. But in particular, if you're dealing with early stages of motherhood, the 4th trimester, this is it, honey. This is it. All right now. So you just want to peel your mango. And then you'll just dice it up and add it to a blender. You're going to want to use a small unit in terms of blending. You don't want to use your big blender for this, but you can if that's all you've got, but go for something that's small so it's compact. Then you want to work with a ripe, juicy pear. Hallelujah. So my lovelies, here on, you just add your diced, fresh, ripe, juicy pears to the blender, and then we'll follow on with adding the juice of 1 key lime. You can work with 2, but I suggest you start off with 1 and adjust the taste at the latter stage of blending. So here you want to add roughly about half a cup of water, not too much, and then follow on with 3 tablespoons of hulled or shelled hemp seeds. Blend for roughly about a minute, 60 seconds, okay? And this is what the texture should look like. Lord Almighty, we thank God. I trust that this will serve you and your family well.